Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the Callisto Protocol game not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on PC, and this is for the Epic Games users. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11, -DX12 or -NGX disable OTA. So here how to do it. Open Epic Games. Then click on this three dot next to the Callisto Protocol game and then click on manage and then toggle on the launch options, and here type -DX11 and then go ahead launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game manage and in the launch option this time type -DX12 and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game manage, then copy this code or you can simply type it in the launch options and then go ahead launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to game manage, remove the launch options, toggle off the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next fix is to stop using cheats. Now if you're using any kind of cheats, then launch the game without using the cheats and then check. Fix 3 is to delete the Callisto Protocol save data. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress as well as saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see this app data folder over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items, and after that open app data folder, open local folder. Now here look for the Callisto Protocol folder, right click on it and then first copy it and go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup. And once you have the backup, then again right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then go ahead launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to the control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it, then click on virus and threat protection, then click on manage ransomware protection, then click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open the C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open the Callisto Protocol folder and then select this Callisto Protocol exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps, open the Callisto Protocol folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Callisto Protocol Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back and then click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app and then click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open the Callisto Protocol folder, select the Callisto Protocol exe file, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open the Callisto Protocol folder, binaries Win64, select Callisto Protocol Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, again make sure both private and public is tick marked, then click OK to save changes and then you can go ahead launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well and then check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Next solution is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So what you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this website and once you are on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then enter Windows operating system and then click on find. Then you have to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, Then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, and then select custom advanced option. So check mark custom advanced option, then hit on next, and then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC once and then launch the game and check. Fix 6. Run the game from game installation folder. Run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on these 3 dots next to the Callisto Protocol game and then click on manage, and next to installation click on this folder icon. This will open the game installation folder. Now double click this Callisto Protocol exe file and check if that works or not. If not, then right click on it and then select run as administrator and then check. If it's still not working, then open the Callisto Protocol folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder. Now double click the Callisto Protocol Win64 shipping exe file and then check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode from drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from here drop down select Windows 8 again, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes from the compatibility tab and hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games, open the Callisto Protocol folder, then select the Callisto Protocol exe file and then click on add. Now look for the Callisto Protocol and then expand it, and next to GPU preference select high performance and then again click on add desktop app. Open the Callisto Protocol folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select this Callisto Protocol Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it, expand it, and then next to the GPU preference select high performance, and then there is 2 Callisto Protocol files, so you have to set high performance for each one, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot next to the Callisto Protocol game and then click on manage and then click on verify next to verify files. And after the 100% of the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in my video description, and once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on the x64 version and then click on repair if you see repair option, and if you see install option then click on install and install it. Then next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option then click on repair, and if you see install option then click on install and install it. Then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to disable overlay. So if you're using Discord, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off the in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary program. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrust Master Racing Wheel, and the taskbar Afterburner, RivaTuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of the tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall the game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the Callisto Protocol game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way, you can easily fix the Callisto Protocol game not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.